Hi everybody, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go make my hair. So guys, I'm here stopped on bike. I'm trying to call her, the hair person, but she's not picking. And I have no idea where the place is. She said we've been asking people. Hello? Sorry, I was calling you. We're at the pipeline, but I don't know where the place is. Can you please come out? I'm on bike. No, okay. Okay. Is it here? Okay, it's here. Where? I should come forward? Where are you? Okay. Is it there? Hey! So it's you! Oh, this girl! Oh my god! So it's you! She's like, you put energy. I'm so happy for you, but it's sorry. And we are here. Oh, hello everybody. Good afternoon. Oh my god, the place is beautiful. I'm here. I didn't know it was you. Okay, let me tell you how I got to know about. Guys, I'll put the video here how I got to know, like how all this thing happened, because I vlogged it. So I went to Ritis to buy food day before yesterday. I went out for like a family dinner, and then I saw this lady at the counter with a particular hair on her hair. I was like, wow, your hair is fine. Please, can you give me the name of the number of the person that made your hair? And she now gave me the number of the person. And I went on IG and I was like, that's that. I decided to call, and I didn't even know that I knew her 4 times. See how the world is?
Wait, let me show you.
So guys, I just saw this fine hair on a beautiful person. She don't want to show her face, but I'll just tone. And I want something like that. I've actually had something like that when I was in Jos. What's her name? Talatu's sister. But now, what did you say is her name?
Hairbyeve.
Hairbyeve. So I'm gonna call Hairbyeve so she can fix me up too. Yeah. So we are here now and we are about to start. She's currently doing someone's hair, probably after that. But I'll take you through the whole process. Whew. Oh my god, I look like a mess. So I got the Lush hair jumbo braids, and I got I don't know the name of this color. It's 39. So update on my hair. I will not be able to do the hair today because I'm actually running late. We have our anniversary coming up, and today's program is by 5. This is after 3, and the lady that's supposed to do my hair is not done with the person she's braiding. To cut the long story short, I'm going to be so late if I stay back to do my hair, so I will come in tomorrow morning. I think you'll see me tomorrow morning. Bye. So hi guys, today is the next day and we are here, and the hairstylist is just trying to pick the attachments. You know how it's been picked, and like I showed, we're using Lush, and I'm using this color. This is the first time I'm actually using this color. I don't know whether it will fit or not, but it's not bad to try out new things, right? So yeah, my voice is a little bit down. I didn't have enough sleep last night because Amira had a fever and she was so restless, but glory to God, she's better this morning.
So this is the hairstyle I want to make.
So if you have a long hair, you don't have front hair, you don't have anything now. Guys, take a look at my hair. We're done. We've come to the